Let's talk about local SEO marketing for car accident law firms or any accident, personal injury law firms. My name's Mac with Momentum. I used to work at Google. Let's jump into it. You can do a quick search on this. Local SEO is crucial, obviously. I'm in Philadelphia. The people that show up first, results here. I'm going to get rid of my video here in a sec. First, you'll see the sponsored listings. These are Google guaranteed. You pay per lead. These are like $500 per lead, even if it closes or not. Expensive industry, to say the least. You pay per message or phone call. Then you have the pay per click below. This is like $100 per click, very expensive. Local search ads, sponsored ads. Here's what matters, the local listings. You have the first 3 results, and then you can click for more results. These rank at the top, and they're important because you don't pay anything, and you get really good leads and great ROIs. Then you have the website results below. A lot of different factors involved for each. How do you get more leads for free with local SEO if you're a car accident law firm in a local area? These are the 10 most important things. Your Google business profile, your local website content, your NAP consistency, name, address, phone number, website link across a bunch of different citation sites, local citation sites in legal directories like FindLaw, Avo, Justia, lawyers.com, but also claim and optimize other profiles like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Chamber of Commerce. Your Google reviews and reputation management, getting as many Google reviews, consistent reviews, quality reviews as possible. Localized blog and content marketing, so being active with your blog with local keywords in the blogs, but also posting to social media. Your map pack ranking and optimizing that profile, focusing on better content for that profile, on page and technical SEO, sprinkling in those city plus keywords across various pages on your site and making sure your site's optimized, getting backlinks from high authority sites, local press, publications, Chamber of Commerce, authority blogs, etc., and using analytics and lead tracking to track all this, such as UTM tags, Google Business Profile, Google Analytics, and Search Console. The Google Profile, let's take a look here. I'm going to use Adrian here, for example, Law Office of Adrian Reed. If I do a search on that, I'm going to audit this profile here. First thing, I don't know what this picture is. If you click in to see photos, you should be uploading photos weekly, whether it's relevant or not. It could even be a designed image on Canva for all I care, but you need to be active. Have a logo, have a cover photo, and upload photos to these weekly. If you have an office, I'd recommend a 360 office tour as well. Your reviews, getting reviews every week is important. Have an automated system like a reputation management system in place to get reviews for you, but also reach out to people manually and respond to your reviews. If you get a lot of keywords in your reviews, that's great. Make sure to respond and like the reviews and add more it's called engagement to the profile. And then you have your description. You have 750 characters to use that up completely, adding keywords within that context. And then add your social media profile links, and then you can post to the profile weekly. You can also add services and descriptions. Let's go to one of these here, 480 reviews. Of course, they're going to rank in the top 5. They've got photos of car accidents, slip and fall, et cetera, et cetera. Lots of reviews, lots of posts. They could probably use a 360 tour. They've got their services listed as products here with descriptions of each. A lot of keyword-rich content here with a link to call. Q&A, which is really good for more keyword-rich content through the listing and profile. Lots of reviews, a lot of responses to the reviews, a long keyword-rich description, posting to the profile weekly, social media integration. And if you search for this brand, you'll actually see here, let's open a new tab. They've got their website, various search results for their site, LinkedIn, Yelp, Reddit, Gato, Super Lawyers, Ladders, industry sites, citation sites, profile sites, social media sites. This all goes back to what we talked about here. Localized website content. Let's check the website. Pennsylvania page, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania page. Internal linking, specific pages for each. What was that? Oh, that was the chatbot. Specific pages, keyword-rich content, everything outlined here. Local citations, directories, Google reviews, responses, localized content, map pack rankings, backlinks for authority. Let's check their authority with Uber Suggest here. And then we'll do the same thing with Adrian, your site. Domain authority is hard to get, and you get it through backlinking, like third-party sites linking back to your core website through an anchor text backlink. So get 1 million backlinks. I'd say a lot of these are probably bad because their domain authority is only 30,000 users per month to the site with 20,000 keywords ranking. A lot of their keywords are branded, but you also have some unbranded keyword terms, which are important too. Let's go back to Adrian, your site here. If we look at Uber suggest, no backlinks really, no domain authority, no traffic, no keywords. Big issue. You should have pages for each one of these service items, and you should have a local page for it as well, and a blog page talking about various things related to all those services. You should have an About Us page, contact page, service pages for each service. Car accident lawyer in Philadelphia should have its own page. Accident injury lawyer should have its own page. Areas of practice, specific location pages. This is a one-page site. That's not going to work. If you look at the meta SEO, there's no meta description. The meta title's decent. No, need better header tags, need alt tags, image compression, images added, more keyword-rich content, so on and so forth. Backlinking, you could use a virtual assistant or AI or pay for backlinks or strategic backlinking, PBNs, press networks, specific backlinks on sponsorships, nonprofits, donation sites, whatever. What else? There's a list of the top citation sites. Citations. I like to go to Omnicore. This will list out the best citations you can get. Most of them are free. Facebook, Apple Maps, Bing, Yahoo, LinkedIn, Google, Booking, Yelp, TripAdvisor, Foursquare, BizJournals, BBB, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. You should also be very active on social media because that shows social signals for engagement content, which corresponds to your website and Google profiles. That's being proactive with keyword-rich, content-rich posts on LinkedIn, X, YouTube, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, etc. All those sites get indexed. It doesn't give you backlink value, but it gives you social engagement value. Those are some recommendations. You'll see a lot of these competing profiles do really well. You could also use something like Local Falcon to run some keyword scans here. If we do Adrian Reed, this is a cool, so you use car accident lawyer, Philadelphia. You could do these to run local maps ranking scans with this heat map where you're ranking in various parts of cities for various keywords. It's really cool. I'd suggest checking that out. But yeah, you'll see all these profiles are fully optimized, which is the first place to start. Then focus on your citations, bookmarks, social profiles, directories, backlinks. Focus on your website, your content, new pages, keyword-rich content across those pages, on-page SEO, technical SEO, internal linking, and everything listed here, which I can put in the YouTube description. It's all very important. If you want more information about us, obviously go to our website, needmomentum.com. This is me right here, founder and CEO. I used to work at Google. Tons of services, case studies, industries, etc. This specific industry is tough to rank. So you've got to be strategic. You've got to work hard. You've got to spend some money, but the ROI comes back because some of these big ticket cases with payouts could be well worth it. So thanks for your time. Let me know if you have any comments, share, subscribe. Hope to see you next time. If you need help with marketing, let me know. I've been doing this for 15 years now. Make sure to add any questions and comments below and reach out if you need any help. Thanks again.